Bob, another steamy day.
Yeah. Wasn't too bad out there this morning, though, for the friendliest catch.
That's right, because you were out with all the special needs adults and kids.
70 people.
Wow.
Yeah,
awesome.
Lots of captains volunteering their time. We're going to talk more about that tomorrow night and then again on Friday as well with the Gone Fishing with Captain Johnny. But it was nice out there and a nice sunset at Casey Key. That's right. The webcam showing beautiful conditions out there out of the water, fair skies and pretty much calm seas, and it looks like it'll stay that way too. Look at that gorgeous shot, isn't it? We are looking at some rain, mainly inland, as it has been over the past couple of days. You know, Sunday we had those rough storms all around and near the coast too, but that hasn't happened over the last few days. Most of it's been inland, and that's because of a little shift in our winds. We're getting more of a westerly component. You can still see some lingering showers into Highlands County near Lake Okeechobee. This line pretty active right now, pushing to the northwest toward Fort Myers, but nothing significant around us. So you kind of sensitize the radar a little bit more so, and you can see that outflow boundary now making its way out to the Gulf of Mexico. We could see one or two lone showers popping up along that boundary. But as far as rainfall totals go, well, boy, pretty impressive amounts well inland, over 3 inches in some cases in northeast Manatee County near Duet and also into Highlands County. What we have is that dry air for the most part is gone now. So we have plenty of moisture in the atmosphere. So the storms that will pop up over the upcoming days, especially inland, will be heavy rainmakers. And at this hour, even at this hour, it feels like 85 degrees. The dew point is at 71. Winds are out of the east-southeast at 8, and the pressure is rising at 30.05 inches. The high today was a couple degrees above average. This morning's low was warm, 78. That's well above the average of 75. We'll see low temperatures pretty much similar to this reading over the next several nights into the upper 70s to low 80s right near the coast. No rainfall to report, at least near the coastline. As I mentioned earlier, some areas getting up to 3 inches today, and 76 now in Jacksonville. Orlando at 78 degrees, 83 in Miami, 84 in Key West, and 81 now in Sarasota. All in the 80s along the coast, a little bit cooler where it's rained tonight, and still were some showers lingering, 75 in Sebring and Avon Park at 75, 79 in Northport, 82 in Venice Gardens, and Inglewood now at 82 degrees. The RPM forecast model showing maybe a shower or two developing out in the Gulf of Mexico and then moving onshore just around sunrise. But you'll notice after, let's say, about 1 or 2 o'clock, most of the storms will be well inland, and there'll be heavy rainmakers pushing off basically to the east. Similar conditions we'll see late at night, maybe 1 or 2 of those showers trying to make their way back toward the coast as the land breeze kicks in. And look at what happens on Friday. Similar conditions, a few morning showers near the coast, inland storms in the afternoon. It's really opposite of what we normally see during the summer months. Typically, we get more of an easterly flow around an area of high pressure off of Bermuda, and that brings us those showers in the afternoon and evening. But because of this trough of low pressure that you see now kind of flaring up across Georgia and all the way over to Louisiana, that's kind of shifted everything down to the south now. And so we're getting that west to southwesterly component, which brings us a good chance for showers and storms inland. Well, it's cooler over in Toronto now, 66 there, 63 in Cleveland, 73. Nice night in Boston, 85 in Dallas now. Still 103, though, in Phoenix at this time. Southwest winds for boaters are pretty light out there. Seas running 2 feet or less, and a light chop on the bays and inland waters. Expect more of the same kind of conditions right through Friday and into the weekend. It's a big boating weekend. A high UV index will stay with us. Lots of sunshine near the coast. As I mentioned, just 1 or 2 lone showers in the morning, but not much after that. Low tide will be at 3:22 and a high tide at 9:15, and sunrise at 6:39, sunset at 8:29. Tonight, partly cloudy, warm, low temperatures above average. There'll be a few morning showers, possibly near the coast. Then tomorrow, mainly inland storms, warm and muggy with a heat index up near 100. And we'll see high temperatures topping out right around 90 degrees, which is fairly close to seasonal averages. Rain chances staying fairly low for this time of year on Friday. That's good news for the big block party in downtown Sarasota with all the boats out there. It should be a lot of fun. And then Friday, I should say Saturday and Sunday, rain chances jumping up a little bit, especially near the coast, but more so inland, running in through 4th of July.